Welcome back, Marvel fans. Today, we're diving into the world of Marvel Rivals to explore one of the most iconic characters in the Marvel Universe, Hulk, also known as Bruce Banner. Let's smash into the details of this Vanguard-class hero. Hulk, also known as Bruce Banner, is a Vanguard-class hero in Marvel Rivals. Known for his incredible strength and resilience, Hulk can transform between three distinct forms: Bruce Banner, Hero Hulk, and Monster Hulk. Let's talk about Hulk abilities. Hero Hulk swings his fists forward to punch enemies. This ability, known as Heavy Blow, is a single cast spell field that deals 40 damage per hit, with an interval of 0.467 seconds per swing and a range of 4.5 meters. Heavy Blow is a quick melee attack that allows Hero Hulk to constantly pressure enemies with rapid swings. Unleash stored gamma energy, transforming from Hero Hulk into Monster Hulk for a limited time period. This ability, known as Hulk Smash, is a powerful transformation ability. It has a duration of 12 seconds and an energy cost of 3,400. During the transformation process, the caster is immobilized and gains invincibility. Hulk's max health nearly doubles, and his abilities are enhanced. Heavy Blow gains more range and deals more damage, making Monster Hulk a formidable force on the battlefield. Indestructible Guard is one of Hulk's defensive abilities in Marvel Rivals. When activated, it generates a gamma shield around Hero Hulk and nearby allies, absorbing damage and converting it into gamma energy. The shield lasts for 2.5 seconds and has a cooldown of 12 seconds. The maximum shield value is 200 for the caster and 100 for allies. This ability not only provides protection but also fuels Hulk's ultimate ability. Among Hulk's formidable powers in Marvel Rivals, Radioactive Lockdown stands out as a defining ability. Radioactive Lockdown activates. Hulk emits gamma energy to irradiate enemies, rendering them immobilized and immune to all ability effects for 2 seconds. This ability is a single cast projectile with a damage of 5 and a cooldown of 15 seconds. The projectile speed is 100 meters per second. Radioactive Lockdown is particularly useful for crowd controlling a big threat or isolating a target, providing Hulk and his team with a strategic advantage on the battlefield. Let's talk about Incredible Leap, one of Hulk's abilities. When activated, Hero Hulk charges up and performs a powerful leap, allowing him to cover large distances quickly. The ability has a minimum charge time of 0.7 seconds and a maximum charge time of 2 seconds. During the leap, Hulk can knock flying enemies to the ground, adding a tactical advantage in combat. The leap speed ranges from 19 meters per second at minimum charge to 25 meters per second at maximum charge. Incredible Leap is a versatile ability that enhances Hulk's mobility and combat effectiveness, making him a formidable force in Marvel Rivals. Gamma Burst. When activated, Hulk emits gamma ray bursts that can pierce through enemies, dealing significant damage. This single-cast projectile ability deals 70 damage and has a cooldown of 8 seconds. The projectile travels at a speed of 80 meters per second, making it a fast and effective attack. Gamma Boost is a passive Hulk's team-up abilities in Marvel Rivals. When activated, Hulk charges Doctor Strange and Iron Man with gamma radiation, enhancing their abilities. For Doctor Strange, this results in the Gamma Maelstrom when he uses Maelstrom of Madness, creating a more powerful and chaotic effect. For Iron Man, it initiates a gamma upgrade when he uses Armor Overdrive, significantly boosting his combat capabilities. This ability not only strengthens Hulk's allies, but also provides strategic advantages in team battles, making Gamma Boost a valuable asset in Hulk's arsenal. Gamma Fastball is another Hulk's team-up abilities in Marvel Rivals. When activated, Hulk can lift Wolverine and hurl him forward, creating a devastating combo attack. This ability is targeted and has a cooldown of 15 seconds or 3 seconds if not thrown. The maximum distance Hulk can throw Wolverine is 20 meters. Gamma Fastball is a powerful and strategic ability that allows Hulk and Wolverine to work together. Let's talk Monster Hulk, the most devastating special ability, World Breaker. When activated, Hulk grabs an enemy and repeatedly smashes them into the ground, dealing significant damage with each hit. This targeted ability delivers 5 hits, each dealing 40 damage over a duration of 5 seconds. During the smashing sequence, Hulk gains a 30% damage reduction, making him more resilient to incoming attacks. World Breaker can turn the tide of battle in Hulk's favor, showcasing his immense strength and fury on the battlefield. Bruce Banner's gamma ray gun is a single-cast projectile weapon, fires green, radiation-laced shots at a high rate of fire, dealing 16 damage per shot. With an ammo capacity of 25 and a fire rate of 5 shots per second, the gamma ray gun is a reliable ranged attack for Banner. The projectile speed is 80 meters per second, making it effective for hitting targets quickly. Puny Banner is Bruce Banner's ultimate ability in Marvel Rivals. When activated, it allows Bruce Banner to transform into Hero Hulk. This transformation is a crucial part of his gameplay, as Bruce Banner is extremely frail and has limited combat abilities. The transformation process immobilizes the caster and grants invincibility, ensuring that Bruce Banner can safely become Hero Hulk without taking damage. Bruce Banner launches a gamma grenade that inflicts damage and launches enemies into the air. This single-cast projectile has a downward delay and creates a spell field upon impact. The grenade deals 40 damage and has a cooldown of 8 seconds. The range of the explosion is a 3-meter spherical radius. Gamma Grenade is a versatile ability that provides both offensive and defensive benefits. But that's not all. Hulk is a Vanguard-class hero in Marvel Rivals, known for his incredible strength and resilience. But what makes him truly unique is his ability to transform between 3 distinct forms: Bruce Banner, Hero Hulk, and Monster Hulk. Whether you're playing as Bruce Banner, Hero Hulk, or Monster Hulk, this Vanguard-class hero brings unmatched strength and versatility to your team. So, gear up and get ready to smash your way to victory in Marvel Rivals.